Hey guys, welcome to my backyard garden. Today I'm gonna talk a little about wild edibles. This is something that I feel like everybody needs to be aware of, different wild edibles that you can eat. You never can tell when there's a time when you're gonna need it, especially in these days. But I just wanted to tell you about Queen Anne lace. I had never tried it until recently, and I had heard people say they take them and they fry them up, and so I tried it and they are delicious. And to top it off, the Queen Anne lace is a diuretic, and some of you may know I do have a problem with retaining fluid, so I tried them and I like them, and they will be a part of my diet from now on. I also dried some out in the dehydrator so I can make tea out of it over the winter. So I hope you enjoy the video. Excuse the airplane. Someone is helping me get some Queen Anne's lace to dehydrate and fry. I guess they like them. This is Queen Anne lace, and it's the wild carrot. You can tell it by the little umbrella under here, and the stem has a lot of furriness on it. Some of them have a little flower in the middle. All of them don't. Like that one had one. This one has one too. But this one don't have one. But they're all edible. I'm gonna fry these Queen Anne's lace, and this is some chickpea flour, and I use just egg because the just egg is a little too salty. I don't measure anything. I just put 2 of these heaping spoons in. Maybe today I'll do 3 of them. Because whatever's left you can just cook. Shake this up. Pour some of this in. And you just mix it up. Now, I don't like using a lot of the just egg, so I will get a little water. I will add a little water to get the consistency that I want, because the just egg is just too salty for me. Now, I'm quite sure a lot of people have battered different things using an egg wash, and it's kind of the same thing. I'll put a little bit more of this in. Okay, this is the way I like it. It's a little thick. You can see that. Now, I've already rinsed the Queen Anne lace, and I cut that stem off, and I'm just gonna dip it in here. I hope you can see this. I have my oil in here, and it's hot, and all I do is drop it in. Let it cook on both sides. That's it. this with some of the tomatoes from my garden, and this will be my breakfast this morning. Now remember, do your research, because there's another plant, poison hemlock, that looks kind of like Queen Anne's lace, but it does not have the little umbrella, it does not have the fur, and the flowers are a little different. So please do your research, and I'm going to list a couple of health benefits of Queen Anne lace.
According to Common Sense Home, traditionally, tea made from the root of Queen Anne's lace has been used as diuretic to prevent and eliminate kidney stones and to rid individuals of worms.
I hope you learned something from my video, and try some Queen Anne lace. Give it a try. Put it down in the comments what you think, and if you know about it already, please let me know. But also, I don't know whether I said this, but Queen Anne lace is a wild carrot. So, if you haven't subscribed, please do. Share my video, give me a thumbs up, and all that good stuff. And this is Lady P from my backyard garden. Peace and love. I'm out.